Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to turn off offline mode on Spotify. Offline mode on Spotify lets you listen to downloaded music without an internet connection. When this mode is enabled, Spotify stops streaming new songs and only plays downloaded content. To turn it off, open the Spotify app. Go to your profile, then open Settings and Privacy. Keep in mind that offline playback and download options are only available on Spotify Premium. As you can see, I don't have a premium account, but if you do go to playback there, you will see an option called offline. Toggle it off, and once offline mode is disabled, you can stream normally again. You will be able to search, stream, and browse new content. If Spotify still appears offline, check your internet connection and restart the app. And that's it. We just learned what offline mode does on Spotify and how to turn it off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.